lang ang standard niyan, ma'am. Are you in danger of losing your life in front of a person, whether really criminal or your enemy, galit mo? And there's a confrontation, a violent activity ensues. And if your life is in danger, put the idiot down. Rather mamatay ka. Ano ba itong buhay na ito?
Okay.
Magdrama ba tayo?
Thank you po, Mr. Chair.
Salamat.
So sinasabi niyo po, encourage the criminals to fight. Okay? Encourage them
tama
to
yan.
draw their guns.
Drama yan, ma'am.
Okay? So ang elements po ng self-defense ay, ang alam ko po, no, sa turo ng mga abogado, ay kung merong unlawful aggression. Eh yung bata